Here are 4 exercises that you can do to help alleviate your Achilles pain. Find a corner where you can do this. You'll be looking to separate the big toe from the second toe, and as you press the ball of the foot down toward the floor, you're gonna find a stretch in the bottom of the foot. Make sure there's no pain at the top of the big toe joint itself. If that's the case, just move back farther. Now you're gonna hold this stretch for about 45 seconds, and then actively press your big toe into the box. So as you push, you're now gonna feel everything underneath the toe and into the arch of the foot starting to work. Press down with the little toes and slide the big toe back while still trying to maintain this big toe extension. You wanna try to keep your toe pulled as far back as you can toward the shin and try to prevent it from drifting over to the right. You're driving your big toe back toward the midline of the body, not using your hands. You'll set up again, pressing into the box, pull the big toe off, and hold. You can work on repeating this 3 to 5 times. Start by taking the working leg and bringing it on top of the opposite thigh. You're gonna point your toes as much as you can and try to spin the bottom edge of the foot towards you. Imagine trying to look at the outer edge of that pinky toe. You're gonna hold here for 45 seconds. You might start to feel a cramp in the arch and maybe into the calf. That's a good thing. We wanna hold that sensation for 45 seconds. To advance this, you're gonna start to add repetitions, pulling the toes back, moving your ankle into dorsiflexion, and then pointing and trying to rotate the bottom of the foot toward you. Repeat for 20 to 30 reps. Find an elevated surface that you can calf raise on. Lift up with both heels easy. You're gonna remove the foot that we're not working and then slowly and eccentrically lower down as far as you can without pain. Bring that opposite foot back, elevate easy, lift one leg, and then slowly lower down. You'll repeat 15 to 20 times. Grab a heavy kettlebell and get into a lunge position. As you pick up that kettlebell, you're gonna hover the back knee off the floor, press hard through the mound of the big toe, and then elevate your heel. You might see a lot of wobbling happen, and we're trying to minimize that as much as possible. Pressing hard through the big toe mound, you're gonna hang out here and hover for about 45 seconds. And then as you advance this, you can work on making it more dynamic.